we are going to discuss the topic of what affects the price of galvanized GI steel. Jianhui Steel Factory summarizes 9 major reasons for you. Number 1. Raw material costs. Number 2. Manufacturing processes. Number 3. Market demand and supply. Number 4. Global economic conditions. Number 5. Government regulations. Number 6. Transportation costs. Number 7. Exchange rates. Number 8. Technology and innovation. Number 9. Competitive landscape. Thank you for listening and subscribing to our podcast. I hope you like it. Make sure to leave us comments if there's something that you would like to see differently, or if you can really enjoy it. Let us